Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Does your Epson ET2850 suddenly show up as offline or refuse to print? You do not need to worry. It can happen because of a Wi-Fi glitch, a settings mix-up, or even a tiny connection issue that's super easy to fix. But fixing it is way easier than it looks. Sometimes checking the router and keeping the printer in connection range fixes the issue. So, in this video, I'm going to walk you through some methods to get ET2850 back online and printing again in no time. Method 1. Restart your printer. First things first, go ahead and press the power button to turn off your printer. Next, you need to remove the power plug from your printer. Now, just leave it alone for about 2 minutes. Don't touch anything. We're basically giving it a little break. Once the time's up, plug the printer's power back into the right port and turn the printer on. If the printer is still offline after using this method, don't worry. We'll move on to the next method to factory reset everything. Method 2. Hard reset. On the control panel, start pressing the right arrow until you land on the settings option. Then hit OK. Keep tapping the right arrow again and again until you find the Restore Default Settings. Now, scroll over to Clear All Data and Settings. This is the option we need. When the confirmation screen pops up, just press OK to say yes and start the reset.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.